Alright, this is going to be the hotel tour of the nighttime version of the Embassy Suites Hotel by Hilton in Flagstaff, Arizona. As you can tell, it's dark. And there's my mom's vehicle. Again, as you can tell, it is chilly in Flagstaff, Arizona. Look at those doors. There's a hotel. There's a hotel front desk. There's the elevator. Hi for me. And there's a breakfast area. The tile slippery and wet. Unfortunately, the pool is currently closed right now due to season over. Let's see. There's good. Oh, this will be this one right here. This will be the fitness center. Look at the design house. I love. Hi now. Excuse me. Fascinating. There. Again. Whoa. Hi again. See both TVs in the Allstate.
That's not gonna fit. What's that? You need another 4 inches. You work here? No, I just saw you there and I thought I'd send you the top.
There's an exercise area, and now Whispering Pines. As you can tell, no pets allowed in the playground area. And there's the elevator. And these are ThyssenKrupp. Now, here we go up to 3. One goes out. Let's go to 1. It's a basic ThyssenKrupp elevator. There it goes. Now we're going up to 2. Where's my hotel rooms at? Capacity is 3,000 pounds. We'll shut the door. Alright, here we go. And this is going to be my room number 202, and which is on the left.
Hey, Tilly.
What's up, Mom? Sorry for the cut the video short due to press the stop button by accident. But let's continue on the hotel tour, shall we? And look, this hotel rooms have standard hotel rooms. And there are flat screen LG TV. There are 2 of them. I will not post on my intro due to the copyright. Look at the mirror. Hi. Ugh. Here's as you can see, the mesh. And the top. Turn off the radio. Oh, turn off, on, off. Yeah. One more thing to do before I can wrap it up. Commode. He says, oh. He says, Elijah. Let's flush the toilet and watch it. There's a noisy. There's a shower right over there. Well, there's all I have to say. No, there's. Again, there's my laptop. Uh-oh. My laptop. My laptop is in the right here, so I'm gonna have to edit. So that's about it. Peace out, peeps, and see y'all next time.